This tutorial shows how to add subtitles to a video within the social editing screen. This is useful if you've already designed a template and you want to add subtitles and customize it accordingly. You should be on the social video editing screen and you'll click to Add Subtitles box. So first tap on Add and then tap on the Subtitles button. This will add a subtitles box to the canvas. You can position it at the bottom. And you could tap on the View button to see if there are any subtitles present. In this case, there are not. Then tap on the Projects button where you can add the subtitles from. This will show you a list of projects to add the subtitles from. In this case, I'm going to select the first one, which is the most appropriate one. This will add the subtitles. Once you do so, you can tap on the View button where you can see if the subtitles are loaded incorrectly. Once you're satisfied, you can increase the size of the subtitles box and position it appropriately. Once you're done editing subtitles and customizing it, you can tap on the bottom right check mark to open up the export screen. Here, you can preview the subtitles and the videos to make sure everything is all right. Then once you're satisfied with all of the export options, you can simply tap Export.